Hi, we are inside the Purdue Extension building right now, and I'm having so much fun with the Sphero device. You can change the color, the speed, and you can drive it using this. How cool! Okay, I'm not very good, but we're working on it. There's so much more here too. If you're having some trouble with your garden this year, check out the Master Gardener program. You can ask them all kinds of questions and get all the information you need to make your garden looking good. What's the most common question you get here?
Usually about maybe tomatoes, diseases of tomatoes, and different diseases with different plants.
Over here we have an interactive seed art area where the kids can get hands-on learning about agriculture. Here at the Block Play Station, there are endless benefits to block play kids from 8 months to 8 years old can enjoy.